Hello everyone, we are glad to welcome you on the HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can scan Discord QR code. So that's a very simple thing to do. Simply open the Discord mobile app on your phone, then go into the account settings page. Among the available categories, enter the scan QR code, grant the camera permission to the Discord app if you haven't already. Then we'll get back to the app. Once again, tap at the scan QR code here, and once this little camera interface launches, just use it to scan whatever Discord QR code you wanted to. And that will be it. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.